Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for calling.
Spider Pig, does whatever a Spider Pig does. Can he swing from a web? No, he can't. He's a pig. Look out, he is a Spider Pig.
Your telephone is ringing. What are you doing? Answer the phone. Thank you.
I love you so much. I love you so much. When you call me like this. When you call me like this.
I've got a friend, my friend's calling me, yeah. You haven't got one, no, yeah. My friend likes me, yeah, calling me on my phone. Haha, I got a friend, my friend loves me. My friend wants to talk to me, yeah, 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 haha. You ain't got no friends like this, no, haha.
अंकल आपका कब से बज रहा है? 3-4 बार बज के मेरे को डरा रहा है। अंकल आपका ये बहुत बजता है, उछल उछल के बज रहा है, घूर घूर के बजता है। अंकल इसको बोलो ना, मेरे को देख देख के बज रहा है। अंकल उठाओ ना इसको, ये बज रहा है। अंकल अंकल उठाओ ना, ये बजता